Title: Urban Expansion in Uttar Pradesh and its Impact on Water Resources. Urban expansion is one of the most defining trends of the 21st century. In India's most populous state, Uttar Pradesh, cities are growing faster than ever before. From the streets of Lucknow to the high rises of Noida, the transformation is visible everywhere. But behind this development lies a silent struggle: the growing stress on water resources. This project explores the current status of urban expansion in Uttar Pradesh and examines how it affects water availability, quality, and sustainability. Urban expansion means the outward growth of cities as populations increase and industries spread. It often replaces open land, forests, and wetlands with buildings, roads, and factories. While it drives economic progress and better living standards, it also puts enormous pressure on natural systems. In Uttar Pradesh, rapid urbanization is linked with migration, employment, and government investment in infrastructure. In 1951, only 1 in 5 residents of Uttar Pradesh lived in cities. By 2021, that number had risen to more than 1 in 3. Industrial cities like Kanpur, with their textile mills and tanneries, became magnets for workers. The rise of the National Capital Region brought development to Noida and Ghaziabad, turning farmland into metropolitan zones. Improved transport networks, expressways, and housing projects further fueled expansion. Today, Uttar Pradesh is home to more than 60 million urban residents spread across 17 municipal corporations and hundreds of smaller towns. Lucknow, Kanpur, Varanasi, Ghaziabad, Meerut, and Agra are among the fastest-growing centers. Satellite data reveals how green cover and agricultural land are steadily declining. Between 2000 and 2025, built-up land in many cities has doubled. The expansion of the Yamuna Expressway corridor and Delhi-Meerut Expressway has created continuous urban belts connecting towns that were once separate. Several factors drive this expansion. Population growth is the most visible, but economic opportunity is equally powerful. Government initiatives like smart city missions and industrial corridors attract investment. The real estate boom, migration from rural districts, and rising demand for housing all accelerate the process. However, the planning often lags behind, creating pressure on infrastructure, water, and waste systems. Water is the foundation of all development. Uttar Pradesh depends on its rivers, the Ganga, Yamuna, Gomti, and Ghaghara, for drinking, agriculture, and industry. Yet, as cities expand, these rivers face pollution, overuse, and neglect. In Lucknow, groundwater levels have dropped by nearly 2 meters in 20 years. In Kanpur and Meerut, deep wells are being dug to access vanishing aquifers. Concrete surfaces block natural recharge, while excessive extraction continues unchecked. Every year, thousands of new borewells appear in cities already facing scarcity. Urban waste and industrial discharge severely contaminate rivers. The Gomti River, once clear and vibrant, now carries untreated sewage through Lucknow. Over 3,000 million liters of wastewater are produced daily in Uttar Pradesh's cities, much of it untreated. Industrial effluents add heavy metals, chemicals, and toxins to water bodies. Urbanization increases impervious surfaces, reducing rainwater infiltration. This causes flash floods during monsoons and dry wells during summers. Cities like Gorakhpur and Lucknow now experience frequent urban flooding due to blocked drains and encroached wetlands. Urban expansion consumes fertile farmland at alarming rates. The rural-urban fringe, once a buffer zone, is shrinking. Farmers near cities face irrigation shortages and falling crop yields. Traditional ponds and tanks once used for farming are now filled or paved for housing. Water scarcity has social consequences too. Low-income families depend on tanker water or polluted sources. Women often walk long distances to fetch water even in urban neighborhoods. Meanwhile, industries and wealthy households consume much more per capita. Reduced groundwater and shrinking wetlands intensify local heat and humidity. Loss of green spaces disrupts rainfall patterns and air quality. With climate change, urban floods and droughts will become more frequent unless sustainable measures are adopted. Sustainability is the path forward. Rainwater harvesting, gray water recycling, and urban greenbelts can restore balance. Programs like Namami Gange, Jal Jeevan Mission, and AMRU promote cleaner water and better management. Public awareness and local action are key to lasting change. Urban planning must integrate environmental protection at every stage. Cities should grow smart, not just large. Protecting rivers, restoring ponds, and recharging groundwater must become civic priorities. Urbanization is inevitable, but sustainability is a choice. If Uttar Pradesh manages its water wisely, it can achieve progress without depletion. Let us remember, the health of our cities depends on the health of our rivers. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe.